Namaskaram, Nenu Mansi Gulati. Today we are going to do yoga for peace. Very important, Shanti. So we'll start with peace, how we can create peace atmosphere. We'll do that. So first be in Dhyan Mudra, close your eyes. Yoga Chitti Vritti Nirodha, fluctuation of mind. We need to stop. Live in a present moment. That is very, very important. So for that, we'll do one meditation today and we'll do asana. It is very good for happiness. Chin up. Now we'll say Hum mantra 3 times. Hum mantra is very important mantra. It is the best mantra for the purification and for the peace. We'll do it. It will remove all the negative thoughts from our mind. Inhale. Hum. Vibration make you more positive towards life. We'll do it again. Inhale. Inhale. Eyes remain closed, just relax yourself. This is very important for peace, Shanti. So do this Hum mantra. Hum mantra create more positive and very good atmosphere surrounding us. So now we'll tell you one very important asana for the peace. We'll sit in Vajrasana first. Spine straight, chin up. Hopefully you are getting peace. So I just want your happiness. So now we'll do asana. We are doing Bandh Shashankasana. So it's very easy. Now very slowly go down. Keep your forehead down. Now interlock and stretch. This is also very relaxing for peace, happiness. We'll do it again. Now just keep it like this only. Very slowly. Chin down. Stretch. Relax. You know one very important thing, all the process, happiness, peace, joy, start with Namaskar Mudra. So we'll tell you Anahata Chakra, joining your hands. Yoga is union between mind and body. Unity is always important for peace. So Namaskar Mudra is very important. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very slowly from your mouth itself. Namaskar Mudra. It is the best asana. It will stimulate your nervous system, brain. Relax. Namaskar is very important mudra for the peace, for the happiness. Now, finger apart, same Anahata Chakra, chin up. Again, exhale for 10 count. Slow exhalation. It will help to clear all the bad toxins from your body. Smoothen your mind, nervous system, very relaxing. So whenever you meet everyone, say Namaste. It's very important greeting. Now last important asana. Same in Vajrasana. Be in Dhyan Mudra. Chin up. Stretch your jaw muscles. Hold it for 10 seconds. Straighten your hand. Look up. All the peace, happiness will come to you. See, our body is like a temple. We should worship it every day. Do your yoga, take care of yourself, eat healthy, and sleeping is very important. Try to sleep for 7 to 8 hours. Then your brain will function more. And do yoga with us. We'll come again. Thank you.